Good morning, Geckos. I hope everyone is safe and well. Wednesday already of week 3 of learning. This is our basketball skills unit. Today we're going to move on to a little bit of dribbling for a warm-up, and then we are also going to move on to some shooting activities. So if you look over here at the activity sheet, we're going to do Zumba for a warm-up. So you're going to choose 2 of those Zumba dances to do. By now maybe you might have some favorites picked out, or maybe you haven't got through all of them. Maybe try a couple different ones. After your warm-up is over, we're going to do dribbling practice number 3, which is just a combination of the dribbles that you've done the past couple days. Again, take a look at the grade level. See which ones what grade level applies to you. See if you can work up to a grade level if skills are getting a little bit easier for you now that we're on day 3. The activity that we're doing is a shooting activity. It's called horse. You'll see a video of Mr. D and Molly playing at their house, and if you don't have a partner at your house to play the game, what you can do is maybe put a couple different spots down, like 5 or 6 different spots or more, and see how quickly you can make 5 shots, and see if you can keep beating your record for how many times you make it at a different spot. So try to go to 5 or 6 different spots. Maybe make them more difficult as you work your way back. The further away from the target or the hoop that you are, the more difficult it's going to be. I hope you guys have a great day. I can't wait to see you soon.